Hello mga kuys. So today, I'm heading to Soler, attending today the Demon Slayer in concert here at the theater at Soler, featuring an 18-piece live band performing the iconic soundtrack of the Tanjiro Kamado. So if you're a Demon Slayer fan and a anime lover, you're in for a treat. Here are some few clips and scenes from the theater at Soler. After the concert, I went to the patisserie to try their sandwiches, ice cream, pastries, and cakes. You can find them on the shops at Soler. For the artisan sandwiches, I ordered the turkey and avocado club as recommended by Chef Jessica. Unang agad pa lang, fresh, creamy, at sobrang sarap. The avocado and Swiss cheese adds flavor to the sandwich. I also tried it with the Tabasco sauce to add extra kick dun sa sandwich. The sandwich composes with multigrain bread, roasted turkey, guacamole, bacon, Swiss cheese, lettuce, at tomato. Kaya sobrang healthy nito, guys. The sandwich comes with the mixed salad that's very healthy, at tangy, and sweet din. I also tried their cakes and ice cream. I tried their forest berry, vanilla, mango, ice cream. I also tried their brazo de mango cake. Ang dami ng serving ng ice cream nila. And saktong-sakto lang din yung tamis. Same with the brazo de mango cake, sakto lang yung tamis. I spent 1,271 for the food. Did you know I got a huge discount while dining at Soler? You can enjoy 10 to 20% off at a wide variety of restaurants. Get exclusive discounts and perks when you use your Soler Rewards card. Become a member today and experience special rewards only here at Soler. Till our next food trip, follow Kuis Eman.